The 4th of July is just a couple days away, and I'm thinking fried chicken, potato salad, and creme fraiche. Creme fraiche, I know that sounds French. It actually is French words, but I am going to turn creme fraiche into ice cream. Now, if you're not familiar with creme fraiche, it's actually just a cultured, sour, thick cream. It's just thick and rich and velvety and smooth, and it's wonderful with fresh berries. Now, you can buy it in the grocery store. The only problem with buying it in the store is its price. It's quite spendy. For a little tub like this, it can be over $5. So, you can make it yourself at home, and it's a lot less expensive, and you get a lot more to enjoy. And I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to pour 2 pints or 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. Be sure to get the kind that says heavy on the container. And that's the start of it. This is just a few ingredients, but it's something that you can't do at the last minute because it has to set for about 36 hours at room temperature. So there's a quart of heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk, a ½ cup of honey. That is going to sweeten it. The kind you buy at the grocery store is not sweetened. This one's a little bit special because it already has some flavor in it when it's done. And let's see, about a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice, because this also has a little bit of a sour taste to it. And then 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I'm just going to mix that up, and when it's all mixed up, I'm just going to cover it tightly, put it on my kitchen counter, and let it sit there for 36 hours. Now, you might think that some bad bacteria might grow, but actually the benign live culture or live bacteria in the buttermilk will multiply and prevent any bad bacteria in the whipping cream. So there we go. I'm ready to cover it. I want to show you this batch. I've had going for over 24 hours, but not quite 36. And you can see now this is just very liquidy, but look at how this is thickened up. And at this point, if you wanted to, you could whip it up and eat it just like whipped cream. Or I would eat it, but you can use it just like whipped cream. Now, what I'm going to do when this is about 36 hours, I don't have too much longer to go, I'm going to stir in some fresh raspberries and blueberries, and then I'm going to spoon it into little dessert dishes. You could use a glass custard cup. I'm back to my little jelly jars, which is what I'm going to use because I'm going to use this as a 4th of July weekend dessert. I'll scoop the creme fraiche along with the berries into these little jars, put the lid on tight, freeze it, and there you've got it, a wonderful no-bake dessert. It's thick and rich and creamy like vanilla ice cream, only better. I'll have the recipe on our website, www.lakelandptv.org. I'm Sue Doden, and I'm all about food.